Good morning to all of you. Myself is Arun Kumar Singh. Today I want to discuss over an important topics. It is also most needful for all of us. That topics is how to learn English easily. It is a bigger questions before all of us. How to learn English in a very easy way. It is true also. To learn English is not very tough. It is very easy to learn. We all know that English is an international language. English is spoken all over the world. Even in India, in few states, majority of people speak in English along with their local languages. The people living in a state like Bihar, UP, Bengal, and if they go in some other state like Kerala, Maharashtra, Delhi, then if they do not know English, they feel problem. They cannot supply their works. They cannot feel easy. So English is necessary there to live a happy and easy life. But the question is how we learn English. What I think about the English is very easy to learn to all the people belonging to different age group. If the people belonging to the age group 30 plus, it is also easy for them to learn English because English has a very few number of rules of grammar, syntax, and its uses. As we know, to learn English easily, we should learn some portion of grammar along with its uses, some syntax, and some common sentences which are oftenly used among us. The portion which are essential to speak English easily of grammar are: first, we should have some idea about the tense and its kind. We know that tense are divided into three groups, three kinds: present, past, and future. Present, past, and future tense also divided into four subgroups like present indefinite, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. In past, it is also divided into four categories: past indefinite, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. And in future also, same thing is happen with future tense, future indefinite, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. But future is rarely used. The use of the future is less than in respect to present and past. So we should have the deep idea of present tense and past tense. Beside the tense, we should also know something about other portion of grammar like voice. It is also of two kinds, active, passive. It is totally based on the tense. If we know tense, to learn voice now become very easy. Narration, it is also a few importance to speak in English, and its kinds also. Then sentence are also divided into 5 or 6 kinds: adjective, imperative, interrogative, optative, and exclamatory. There are few special rules for each of the sentence, and to learn that rules is very easy. There must not be any difficulties in learning of these rules of these sentences. And last, what we should know, have idea about the grammar, that portion is parts of a speech. And in parts of a speech, preposition, conjunctions are more important. So we should some idea about the deep idea about the preposition, conjunction, verb, and adverb. As it is divided into 8 categories: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. They are nearly 8 parts of a speech, but no need to know more and more in especially case of a speaking, learning and writing. So if all these portions are divided into days and time, I think it will be divided into 20 days and 40 hours. So if we pay 2 hours every day to learn this portion of grammar along with the proper practice, it will take 20 days. Within 20 days we can complete all the portion of grammar along with the uses of its rules, syntax. Then definitely I can say that we will be little enough to speak English fluently, not only speaking but to write and understanding what someone is telling in English, we can understand it easily. The next important and basic things to speak in English is that there must be deep practice. We should form the habit of remembering 10 new words along with its meaning. We can take help from the English dictionary. We should collect 10 usable, practicable, common words from the dictionary along with its meaning. We should remember 10 new words like this. So forming the habit of remembering 10 new words is also help us to speak, write and understand the English. We should also do some practice of writing text in English, like a story writing, paragraph, essay, letters, application, diary and something like this. We should make the practice. We should spend 10 minutes every day to write any kinds of the text in English. Then next important is to speaking practice. If someone is knowing English, then we should converse and we should talk, we should express our thoughts in English to that persons. We should also hear the thoughts what that person is speaking. We should give the time to learn, we give the time to understand, then we should reply everything in English. So English is now become very easy. We feel very pleasure in speaking, writing and understanding, and we think it is very easy. In the very beginning, one may feel problem either to understanding, speaking and writing, but after spending 5 or 6 days over the constant practice what I discussed above, now it become very easy. So it is my faith, if one do the practice of 2 hours every day for nearly 20 days, about the portions, about the syllabus what I discussed earlier, then English now become very easy in all the respect, either speaking, learning and understanding. I think it is little enough to understand, write and speak English fluently. If we follow it, definitely we feel very easy. Wherever I go, among the group of English speaking people, we don't feel we never feel uneasy. We never feel uneasy to understand the news which is delivered on televisions, and many more situations. We feel very easy. In my next video, I shall discuss a step by step. In first day what we should do, and second day what we should do, and so on. If you follow for first 20 days the portion which I discussed from my next video, definitely it is my faith everyone belonging to any age group will be very easy to learn English as they need. So if you like this video, try to collect some important points from it which will be beneficial to learn in English, and also send me in the comments what we know more about English along with the other topics. In my next video, I shall focus on all the points, subject portion selected by you, and that video will reach you first. Thank you.